Imagine storing your entire knowledge base, millions of documents, research papers, books, and personal notes, into a single video file. Introducing Memvid, a lightweight, offline-first, video-based AI memory system that redefines how we store and search data at scale. Memvid is a radical shift in data storage and retrieval. Instead of traditional vector databases or cloud-heavy architectures, Memvid stores your semantic knowledge directly inside a video file. Yes, a standard MP4. Think of it as your AI's memory, compressed into a video that can live on your laptop or stream from the cloud. Here's what makes Memvid powerful. Video as database. You can pack millions of text chunks into one MP4 file. Semantic search. Ask a natural language question and retrieve context-aware results in under a second. Built-in chat. You can even chat with your data via an integrated conversational interface. PDF support. Import and index PDFs with a single command. Storage efficiency. It compresses data 10 times better than traditional databases. Pluggable with any LLM. Use OpenAI, Anthropic, or even run local models. The applications are endless. Researchers can compress years of papers into a single file. Companies can build portable, searchable knowledge bases with zero infrastructure. Educators can archive course material into streamable video memory. Journalists can index decades of articles. And individuals can turn their notes into an offline AI assistant that works even without internet. Memvid is not just innovative, it's also extremely lightweight. Built with around 1,000 lines of Python. Runs on CPU, no GPU required. Requires no database server or extra infra. Once a video is generated, you can move, copy, or stream it anywhere. The entire API can be accessed in just 3 lines of code. To get started, simply run pip install Memvid and follow the quick start guide on GitHub link in description. You'll be up and running in minutes. Memvid isn't just a tool, it's a new way to think about AI memory. Lightweight, efficient, and truly scalable. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or just someone trying to organize knowledge, Memvid is the kind of breakthrough that can change your workflow forever. Try it out and see how powerful video-based memory can be.